This tiny gadget claims to do something incredible for your industrial equipment, but does it really deliver? We're looking at the RUTGJH Q2MEM series of storage cards, specifically the Q2MEM 4 MBF, Q2MEM 8 MBA, and the Q2MEM 32 MBA. Now, the color description for the 8 MBA is a bit unusual, but let's focus on what these cards are actually for. These aren't your typical SD cards for a camera. These are specialized memory modules designed for industrial automation, likely for PLCs or similar control systems. The brand RUTGJH might not be a household name, but for those in the industrial sector, reliable memory is absolutely crucial. We've got a range of capacities here, from a compact 4 MB up to a more substantial 32 MB. While that might sound small by today's smartphone standards, for industrial controllers, this can be a significant upgrade, allowing for more complex programs, larger data logging, or extended recipe storage. The build quality feels robust, as you'd expect for something intended for a factory floor. Installation is straightforward, assuming your equipment has the correct slot. Performance-wise, the key here is reliability and compatibility. While we can't give you hard benchmark numbers like you'd see for a consumer SSD, the impression is that these cards are designed for consistent, error-free operation. They need to be dependable, day in and day out, without any hiccups. The difference between the 4 MB, 8 MB, and 32 MB models will primarily come down to how much data or program complexity your specific application requires. If you're hitting the limits of your current memory, upgrading to an 8 MB or 32 MB card could unlock new capabilities for your automation processes. It's about ensuring your machinery runs smoothly and efficiently, and that starts with reliable storage. So, is the RUTGJH Q2MEM series worth considering? For industrial applications where memory is a bottleneck or a point of failure, these cards offer a solid upgrade path. They provide the necessary capacity and, crucially, the expected industrial-grade reliability. If you're looking to expand the capabilities of your automation equipment, these RUTGJH storage cards are a practical and effective solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.